Okay, today is March 14th, and it is their 3-week birthday. And we're going to start the weaning process because we can see them licking their mom's food and drinking water. Let's see. This little girl right here is not adopted yet, and Kathy didn't come up with a name for her.
I'll come up with one.
And this is Hugo, right there. And over here, that's Riku. And this one right here is Sir Robin. He's not adopted yet, waiting to be adopted. Sir Robin has the, I tripped. Sir Robin has the orange collar. And then over there, Sir Arthur, still waiting to be adopted. And then there is Pico. Over there is Mia. And anyway, this one with this red female with a pink collar is still waiting to be adopted also. And
oh, colored lady.
Oh look, there's Riku walking around.
Come on. Just gonna set you
And there's Hugo walking around. And over there is Sir Arthur.
We'll call her Lady Anne.
Lady Anne, okay.
That's the one that needs to be adopted. Come over here, look.
There, like that. Let them see that.
See? Come here.
So, the red female with the pink collar, we're calling Lady Anne for right now until she's adopted. Oh, there you go. You see how you put him in there? Put her in there, Mia? Now she's licking it. That's good.
Look in there.
There we go. There we go.
Come here.
Yeah, that's what we need.
There you go. Oh, there's poop. Where's that?
Whoa, we are... well, they're 3 weeks old today. And there's still not a lot of action, folks. But by next week, you'll see a huge difference. We actually had to wake them all up to bring them in here. So that doesn't help too much either. This is, who's that, Mia? Let me look at Mia. She'll sleep right on the dish.
Look at it. They all just kind of collapsed. Hey.
And then right there, on the left is Hugo. On the right is Lady Anne. Waiting to be adopted, Lady Anne is.
Here's Sir Robin.
And then in there is Pico. Then here is Sir Robin, waiting to be adopted, orange collar. And this other cream one right there is Sir Arthur, waiting to be adopted. Yep, there you go. Oh look, there goes Hugo. Oh, that's not Hugo. That's Riku. Oh, there's a lot of names to remember. Oh, he's wagging his tail. That means he likes the place. Uh-oh, we're going to let the mom in. She was outside in the playground. Let's see. We'll swing over there so you can see her coming in. There she goes. There she goes. Back into her walking area. And that other one you hear is over here. There's Bella. She's in there in her whelping pen. And every time anybody comes by, she lets out that screech to protect her little baby, which we haven't shown you yet. This is the little baby. Where is he? He's right there. Only had one pup. And this one we're keeping. Red male. We're naming him Aries. That's Aries.